Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing essentials: your phone, account password, and any backup codes. Once ready, go to the account's security or two-step verification page and choose the Authenticator option. You must install Google Authenticator from the official store on Android or iPhone. Do that now. Make sure to keep the browser tab open while you continue. This step creates the QR code or secret key you'll use next, so don't close the page, and have the app ready to scan. Next, you add the account in the Authenticator app. Tap the plus sign and pick Scan a QR code. Point your camera at the on-screen code. If the camera won't work, choose Enter a setup key and type the secret exactly, then give the token a clear name. Once added, the app will start generating 6-digit codes that change every 30 seconds. Make sure your phone's time is set to automatic. This keeps codes synchronized with the server. Finally, verify the setup by typing the current 6-digit code from the app into the website and submitting it. Once accepted, immediately save the provided backup codes somewhere secure and consider adding a second recovery method or device. Remove any old unused authenticators to reduce clutter. If the code is rejected, sync your phone's time with network time, try scanning the QR again, or use the manual key to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.